The market theme RBI done. Can Nifty now march towards 25,000? The RBI delivered a largely balanced policy, holding the repo rate at 5.25%, retaining its neutral stance and raising the FY27 growth forecast to 6.7%. The good news growth upgrade and softer crude provide support. The RBI's higher growth projection, easing core inflation outlook and crude oil near $75 per barrel offer a constructive bullish backdrop for Dalal Street. The reality check Nifty failed to capitalize on strong global cues. Despite record highs on Wall Street, Nifty closed almost unchanged on Wednesday, indicating profit-taking and hesitation near crucial resistance levels. The big risk FIIs returned to the sell side. FIIs sold shares worth 943 crore rupees on Wednesday. Sustained foreign buying remains essential for a decisive breakout. Our call of the day bulls have the advantage, but follow-through is crucial. The underlying bias remains positive. However, a convincing move above the immediate hurdles at 24,774 is required for Nifty to challenge the psychological 25,000 mark. Bottom line earnings take center stage. With the RBI policy behind us, corporate earnings, management commentary, and overnight global cues will determine Thursday's direction. Market trend dashboard. Global cues remain positive. FIIs sold worth 943 crore rupees, while DIIs bought to the tune of rupees 2,883 crore. Sentiment and market breadth are likely to remain positive. Nifty's rebound structure remains intact. August Fano positioning suggests a broad 23,500 to 25,500 zone. USD INR August futures traded near 95.18. India VIX remained subdued at 12.06. PCR, 25th August Nifty 1.15 vertical bar Bank Nifty 0.83 vertical bar FI Nifty 0.72 vertical bar Midcap Nifty 0.94. Nifty Outlook Global Cheer, Domestic Hesitation, Bulls need strong follow-through. Key technical levels. Nifty CMP, 24,625. Support, 24,351. Resistance, 24,774. Range, 24,500 to 24,800. Bias, positive. Sensex CMP, 78,581. Support, 78,100. Resistance, 79,367. Range, 78,100 to 79,100. Bias, positive. Bank Nifty CMP, 57,740. Support, 57,151. Resistance, 58,706. Range, 57,400 to 58,400. Bias, positive. Stock market news. Optimism shall greet Dalal Street vertical bar. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average have scaled fresh record highs. Nifty at a crucial juncture, the setup remains positive, but Thursday's rally needs confirmation above Nifty 24,774 and Bank Nifty 58,706. Until then, expect selective stock-specific action within the stated ranges. We will spy with one big eye if Nifty bulls can conquer the psychological 25,000 mark with an interweek perspective. Sectors likely to outperform. Metals' strong global risk appetite, firm copper prices and sustained momentum favor the pack. NBFCs and housing finance, RBI's neutral stance, lower core inflation forecast and improving funding conditions provide support. Paints, adhesives and chemicals, falling crude-linked input costs and Pidilite's robust results provide a positive backdrop. Telecom, Bharti Airtel's strong revenue and profit growth should support sentiment. Sectors likely to underperform. FMCG. IT services. Despite Wall Street's technology rally, weak domestic price action in frontline IT stocks warrants caution. Media. Stocks to watch. Positive bias. Pidilite Industries, Bharti Airtel, PNB Housing Finance, Shriram Finance, Cholamandalam Investment, Titan, Asian Paints, Mandem, TVS Motor, JSW Steel, Hindalco, Tata Steel, Nalco, BHEL, Larsen & Toubro, Our Small Finance Bank, SBI. Negative bias. Zee Entertainment, Reliance, HUL, Suzlon Energy. Q1 FY27 earnings to trickle in Thursday, 6th August 2026. Britannia Industries. Hero MotoCorp. Apollo Tyres, Bajaj Electricals, Fortis Healthcare, First Source Solutions, E. Emcure Pharmaceuticals, Finalex Industries, Hindustan Construction Company.